On the Cartesian plane below, we have M as our midpoint. We are told that M is the midpoint of line AP. So we have a line AP. AP has something which is in the middle. What is in the middle is considered to be M. M is the one in the middle. And then if M is in the middle for line AP, it means which A is at the end and then B, they're also going to be at the end. And then after that, they say point D lies on the x-axis. And then we are given the length MD, which is going to be root 21,25. The first question says, tell us which one is going to be A and then what is going to be K. Now we come and check what is K and A. A, there it is, and then K, it's here. So how do we get A and K? We're going to use the midpoint formula. We already have a midpoint formula which states that X at the midpoint is going to be equal to X1 plus X2 divided by 2. And then we also know that we have Y of the midpoint, which is going to be given by Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. Now, the question then is, what is M? What is Y1? What is X1? What is X2? And then the ones which are at the end of the line is going to be our X1 and X2. So in this case, we'll say this one here is going to be our X1 if we do it alphabetical. This one here is going to be our X2. And then this one here is going to be our XM. It's going to be our X in the midpoint. Because it's in the middle. So this one here is going to be your XM. And then if you continue with that, it means that X at the midpoint, if we check what is going to be our X at the midpoint, X at the midpoint, what is going to be X at the midpoint? A. So we'll say here we have A, which is going to be equivalent to, and then X1 is minus 2 plus, it's 5, divided by what? By 2. And then I'm going to take this and then continue. If we continue with this one, it says which you are going to have 2A, which is going to be given as, if you say minus 2 plus 5, it gives you 3. And then you divide by 2, you divide by 2, it says the value of A is going to be equivalent to 3 all over 2. So we are done with the first one. A is going to be equivalent to 3 all over 2. A is 3 all over 2. Okay, let's go and get number 2. On number 2, what is YFM? We'll come and say, okay, we have the ones at the end. Our one at the end is going to be Y1 and Y2. So this is going to be Y1. This is going to be Y2. And then this is what is going to be Y and M. Now, based on what we just said, what is going to be Y and M? So we have 1, which is going to be equal to, what is Y1? It's 4 plus K divided by 2. And then if you cross multiply, it says 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2, which is going to be 4 plus K. Take this one to this other side, it says minus 2 is going to be equal to K. Meaning which A is 3 all over 2, and then K is going to be equal to what? Minus 2. And then I think we are done with the first one.